PDF Creator is a ChatGPT plugin that enables users to convert various types of content into PDF format. You can create PDFs from web pages, documents, or other digital content. Click on GPT-4 and select Plugins Beta. Click on Plugins Enabled drop-down and select Plugin Store. Enter PDF Creator in the search box. Click on Install. Once installed, close the window. Click on Plugins drop-down. Enable the plugin. You can create a PDF from plain text. For example, this is the story of 3 little pigs in text format. To create a PDF file, enter Create a PDF named 3 little pigs. Enter the file name without the file extension. Copy and paste the text after the name of the PDF file. A PDF file named 3 little pigs is created. You can create a PDF from the content which is formatted in Markdown. You can also include images in the PDF. For example, enter this prompt to create a PDF file, Rome Attractions. Provide the file name and the content in formatted Markdown. Enter Create a PDF file named Rome Attractions followed by the formatted Markdown. The PDF titled Rome Attractions is created. You can download the PDF by clicking on Download it here. You will be taken to the AI Doc Maker website from where you can download the PDF file created. Images are also inserted in the PDF from the links specified in the content. You can edit the document before you download. You can click on Download and then select Download PDF. With the free plan, files are automatically deleted after 3 days. You can upgrade for premium access. You can create PDF from a Word document. There are 2 ways. Open the Word document and copy and paste the content in the prompt. Don't specify a name for the PDF file. A PDF file named Lemon Blueberry Layer Cake Recipe is created with the contents specified. ChatGPT named the file based on the first heading and contents of the file. PDF Creator can create a PDF from the given URL. The plugin can read the contents of a URL, which can be a PDF, doc, docx, PPT, CSV, XLS, XLSX, HTML file, etc., or content from cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and a web page. The plugin can create a PDF from the contents in that files. For example, there is a document cake in Google Drive. Copy the link and use it in the prompt. Click on the 3 dots and select Share and Copy Link. Paste the copied link in the prompt. PDF Creator was not able to access the document and a PDF file was not created. Make sure that the document is publicly accessible or shared with the appropriate permissions. Check the permissions on the file and remove any restrictions. Click on Share and select Share. Under General Access, change Restricted to anyone with the link. Now try to create the PDF with the link. A PDF file is created. The plugin first reads the contents of the file in the URL and converts it into markup text. Then that content is used by the plugin to create the requested PDF. If you have access to a web hosting service, you can also upload the file and use that URL to create a PDF. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to create a PDF from the Word document in this URL. A PDF file cake recipe is created with the contents in the file. Now let's create a PDF file from a CSV file. The file customers.csv has some customer information. Use this prompt to create a PDF from customers.csv. We want the first name and last name as headings followed by customer info. Customers list PDF file is created. ChatGPT did not give the expected results. It retrieved only first name and last name. Use this prompt. First, ask ChatGPT to convert the .csv file to Markdown and then format the data using first name and last name as headings. Now you will get the requested PDF formatted correctly. You can specify a query string and fetch only the required data. Use this prompt to get only address, city, and state. Now only the requested data is used to create the PDF file. You can also filter the data. Use this prompt to get only customers from California. Add the query state equal to CA. The PDF is created with only customers from CA. You can also create a PDF from a web page. For example, let's create a PDF from this Wikipedia page. Use this prompt. Let's include only history and geography sections and ask ChatGPT to create a PDF and format as traditional book format. The requested PDF is created including the history and geography sections. Create a PDF from a PowerPoint presentation file. For example, we have a PPT file test with 10 slides. Use this prompt to create a PDF. A PDF file is created with the content in all the slides. You can also ask PDF Creator to include only specific slides. Use this prompt to include slides 1 and 2. A PDF including only the specified slides is created. These are only a few examples. There are endless possibilities you can try with this plugin. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.